What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the wheel-well storage box for the passenger side of the 2005 to 2023 Tacomas. This is going to be perfect for Tacoma owners looking for a durable, secure, and space-efficient storage option for tools, gear, and other essentials out there on the road. This storage box is tailored to fit snugly into the passenger side wheel well, optimizing unused space without compromising the functionality of your truck bed. It features a nice lockable lid with the lock right here, keeping your items secure whether you're parked in public areas or you're out there on the trail. It has a quick release mechanism to ensure effortless removal when you need to make full use of that truck bed. The box has ample storage capacity and is ideal for hauling smaller items like tools, recovery gear, or even camping supplies. Its design incorporates weather-resistant seals, ensuring your gear stays dry and protected even in bad weather conditions. This wheel-well lockable bed storage box is made from tough ABS plastic with excellent durability. It resists impact, corrosion, and harsh weather, giving you peace of mind that it'll stand up to the rigors of daily use. This sleek black finish adds a modern touch and blends seamlessly to the look of the bed of your Tacoma. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right in that mid $100 price range, which is going to offer a great value for the practical and versatile storage location inside the bed of your Tacoma. Installing this box is going to be very straightforward, so it only earns a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. It's a bolt-on installation and it does require drilling a couple holes for the bolts, but the process shouldn't take you any more than 2 hours to complete. The toolbox includes all the necessary hardware, making it a quick and easy upgrade for your truck. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
For this install, you're going to want a impact driver or some kind of electric drill with a 3/8 inch socket. You're also going to want a T30 star bit because there's a few screws here in the bed that you'll need to remove in order to get the rest of it installed. And then it would be a good idea to have a punch or a drill with a bit suitable for drilling into metal in case the self-tapping screws aren't going in very easily and you need to drill some pilot holes. Just a quick tip on when your box arrives, these plastic bits on the hinges might not be fully seated. You might need to give those a couple of taps just to get them in place so that your box will sit where it needs to. Today we're going to be installing this locking passenger side wheel well storage box. For this first step, you're going to go ahead and remove this screw, top right, and then you're going to remove these two on the far side. Set those where they're not going to fall down into your tailgate. Now you're going to take this back plate, you're going to go ahead and line it up so that it lines up with that first screw that you removed. You can get that started by hand a little bit. And go ahead and tighten it down. Next, you're going to want to take this back plate. You're going to put it in this orientation with the light metal piece on top. Be good to go ahead and start with the top screw here. Get that started. The bottom one in before you tighten everything down. Go ahead and take this opportunity to check this storage box. Make sure it's empty because once this is in place, you won't have access to that. Next, you're going to take this rear plate. You're going to line it up so that the second set of holes lines up with these screws. Go ahead and put your top one in. Just kind of get it snug. Don't tighten it down until you've got the second one in. Tighten both of those. Now you're going to want to go ahead and test the fit before you finalize everything. So go ahead and take the box, drop it onto these two hinges, swing it over, make sure it hits that lock, that it locks in place. That all looks good. In order to open it, you just pull on this yellow handle at the bottom. Since your self-tapping screws aren't in the metal yet, this isn't going to be quite stable, so just be careful when doing this part. Lift that off. And now we're going to go ahead and put our metal screws in here. Be a good idea to go ahead and drill just a couple of pilot holes. Make sure everything goes in smoothly. Move that ring out of the way while you're working. Now, you want to take your metal screws, switch over to your 3/8 inch bit. Notice that each of these has a little rubber washer to keep you from over tightening it. Just get that until it's snug. Again, be careful not to over tighten it or you'll strip it. Repeat with the other screw. Once you've checked your measurements and everything is good, you're going to go ahead and use your 3/8 socket to tighten these down. They don't need to be too tight, just enough to make sure that that locking bracket isn't going to move on you. Final step, go ahead and get your box. Drop it onto the hinges, swing it until that bar locks in place. You'll hear it snap. Make sure everything is secure. In order to open it, you're gonna pull on this yellow handle. Just pop. Included in the box should have been a set of keys to lock the lid. And there's a little flap here put in place just to protect that lock from the elements. With that, you're done.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the wheel well storage box for the passenger side of the 2005 to 2023 Tacomas. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.